Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and today's tutorial is based on how to remove or delete phone number on PayPal account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, you'll have to log in into your account, and in order to log in, you'll have to open up your web browser. And once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll have to type in the link that is www.paypal.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. And once you type in the link, next page you'll be directed to the official site. And you can see this is what the interface is going to look like. And in the top right corner of your screen there is login. Just simply tap on it. Once you're logged into your account, next you'll be directed to the home page. After you're logged into your account, next you'll have to tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. You can see right over here. And once you tap on the gear icon, next page will be directed to the settings page. And you can see in the bottom right corner of your screen there is an option as phone number. So just next to it there are three different options, that is add phone number, change phone number, and see all phone number. So in order to delete or remove a phone number, you must have a secondary phone number. Only then you'll be able to change, remove, or delete your phone number. Since our video is based on how to remove or delete phone number, so then you'll have to tap on see all phone number. So then tap on see all phone number, which is right at the bottom. As you can see that I have a three different phone number. Now in order to change your phone number, in order to remove your phone number, all you have to do is just tap on change. As soon as you tap on change, next page there is a confirmation. In case you're sure about removing or deleting your phone number, then tap on remove, which is right at the bottom. After you tap on remove, once again you'll be redirected to all phone number. As you can see that before that I had three phone number, now that I have only two phone number linked to my PayPal account. In case you want to add a new phone number, then all you have to do is tap on add new number in the top left corner of your screen. So that is how you can remove phone number on PayPal account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.